For over 25 years, Cahlan Cahlan has been serving Pahrump. We're going to speak to attorneys Gus Flangus, John Cahlan, and Sharon Cahlan. We are here at Cahlan Cahlan Law Offices, and I'm joined by Gus Flangus and John Cahlan. Tell me a little bit about what's going on with Cahlan Cahlan.
John Cahlan and we've been friends since kids. The office out here has been doing fairly well, and we decided to get together and beef it up, so to speak, and put a bigger presence out here with my law firm in Las Vegas has about 8 to 10 lawyers, and along with Cahlan and Cahlan, we can really give a good amount of service to the city of Pahrump.
I know I spoke to your mother, Sharon Cahlan, at the Relay for Life, and she was talking about how you've been running the law firm for a while now, ever since your father, who was an icon here in Pahrump, passed away, and it seems to be expanding so much here.
Yeah, I mean, what we've been doing is trying to expand the service we can provide. Again, bring in Gus and his law firm, him from Las Vegas, so we can be a more full-service law firm. So a lot of things that we weren't doing before, we can do. With Gus does a lot of litigation, real estate, transactional, probate, bankruptcy, even someone that does SEC work.
Wonderful. And so how many attorneys are we going to have here now?
Well, we'll be rotating attorneys in and out of here, but you have the full backing of our firm out of Las Vegas.
In terms of offering, I mean, if clients come in, estate planning, there's a lot of family law, which adoptions, divorces, real estate and transactional, and probate, and the litigation as well.
And how can a person get in touch with you?
Just contact our office. The office number is 727-5882, or you can email us, but it's probably better just contacting our office on the.
And you will be working out of both Nye County and Clark County courts?
Yes, that's correct. And we've been actually working out of here for over a year now.
Wonderful. And anything else you'd like to add?
Well, the firm's been here for over 25 years with my father, who started the firm, and full practice firm. So anyone that needs services, we try and solve their problems and bring them in and take care of them.
Cahlan and Cahlan, what I happen to take care of are the office buildings, the LLCs. So if you need to rent a space, we have very good prices. Just come by and see us. The changing of the law firm is wonderful because now we handle everything. Before we didn't handle but seniors, and now we handle more than just seniors. So probates, wills, everything. It's so important because I want to keep it going for my husband. He started 25 years ago, and he worked so hard, we worked hard to become what we are today. And he truly loved the community. We embraced them. I always would bring him pro bono, and he was always so good. He says, "Okay, Sharon, what do you need? What do you need? Who needs help?" And I'm just that sort of person. I've been there, and I've had problems myself, so I can understand your situation. And so we still will do that. We'll still take good care of you.
And Cahlan always gave back to the community.
Yes, and I'm giving back at the present time. Once I retired, of course, I taught in high school PE, and once I left there, I'm just kind of all over the place. I'm with a dance team, and I'm in Rotary, and I ran for Miss Senior Nye County and placed there, and running for that also. Of course, Cahlan is an old name. Mm-hmm. And because the community has done so much for me, I'm giving back. So I'm going for them everywhere I am.
When people go to attorneys, they're in such turmoil. They usually have something going on in their life. Isn't it comforting to know that you have a family kind of atmosphere here and a friendly atmosphere to come to with confidence to talk to an attorney about what's going on with you?
Yes. We are very, very quiet about what we hear. You won't hear anything throughout the valley. We're very personable. We're here to help you. And we've all been through it ourselves. I have. And I think I understand more than a lot of people.
So people are calling up for just some legal advice. Can they call the office here to ask before they actually hire an attorney?
Yes. Always call us at area code 775-727-55 65882. Dawn is, of course, our mainstay at the desk, and you talk to her, and she'll give you the guidance from there. A lot of times you might not even have to see an attorney. It might be answered right over the phone, and it doesn't cost you anything to call us. So many places it costs you, especially in Las Vegas, it costs you. So, and we're very, very lucky to have these attorneys coming in from Las Vegas.